In the heart of Las Vegas, where dreams are crafted into reality, Ninth Island Woodcrafters brings over 35 years of master craftsmanship to your home. Every joint, every finish, every detail is a testament to our dedication. Our master carpenter personally oversees each project, ensuring perfection from start to finish. From kitchens that blend functionality with elegance, to custom bookcases that fit seamlessly into your space, to home theaters that redefine entertainment, and staircases that make a statement, we bring your vision to life. At Ninth Island Woodcrafters, we believe your home deserves the finest. And with our commitment to quality and attention to detail, we deliver nothing less. Ninth Island Woodcrafters, where dreams meet craftsmanship. Contact us today for a free quote and let's craft your dream together. Check out our website, ninthislandwoodcrafters.com, or call 702-903-5433.